I love how Jaime mixed plastic beads with pearls. Very classy. Hi freaks, welcome back to Hi Stylin, where Jaime is putting me in this very patriotic look. I think that black and white scarf is the only item that is not red, white, and or blue. Patriotic for which country is the question, because you'll notice those earrings say Haiti on them. And I do wear these earrings every single 4th of July, and I get strange looks, but it's fine. For some reason, this outfit reminds me of the American Girl doll, Molly's victory outfit. I don't know why, because it's really not the same at all. Maybe it just reminds me of Molly. I think everything she wore was like red, white, and blue. Sorry, I'm going down a rabbit trail now. Even her pajamas. It's all cute though. Oh, never mind. She wears green sometimes. Girl knows her palette. I like it. She's wearing winter colors. I don't know if she's a winter though. I think her hair's light enough she could be a summer maybe. What do you guys think? Sorry, I'll try to stop doing color analysis on inanimate objects. Let's put on the outfit. Ta-da!
You look like the 4th of July. It makes me want a hot dog real bad.
Dare I say it's better on? I can't believe it. I don't have that red hair bow anymore, but I don't think we're gonna miss it. These shorts have been out of commission for so long that the elastic is like crunchy. You know what I mean? They're like about to fall down. There's a lot of pearls happening. I do like something about it. I like the sort of dressed up sporty look. I think that's really fun. Obviously, these shorts are not going to work, so maybe that's a place to start. All right, my closest options are going to be these pants with white stripes or shorts with red stripes. So let's start with the pants, since I think this red is really more orange. Wow, everything has the white piping. Darn if I don't know my palette too. Well, I don't like the leggings as pants in this situation. Let me try the shoes again without the socks, because that's kind of a lot, and then we'll see where to go from there. Well, okay, besides that these shoes are unwalkable, they're also off-white, and this is white. I want to stick to white. Maybe I'll do my jellies just for fun. And then I think I have a little white skirt we can put over. Well, I found one silver shoe along with one jelly, so in case we want it to be more like Molly's victory look, we'll bring some silver in here and decide later. And then here's a little skirt that has built-in shorts, which is going to be a lot with the leggings, but let's just try it. I love how Jaime mixed plastic beads with pearls. Very classy. I think I'm going to take most, if not all, of these off and maybe add a pearl necklace that I probably didn't have at the time Jaime made this, since these are pretty off-white. Well, so far we look worse than when we started. Let's excavate some of these layers. Do we really need all these layers? Maybe we do just the red top with a black jacket to go with the black and not have it be so over the top. Alright, well, it doesn't matter which shoe I pick or which earring I pick because I don't like it. I've never liked red and black and white together, and that's all I see from here up, and then, I don't know, it's just weird. This is like a tennis skirt. I don't like it. Ugh, what do I do? Do I start all over? I guess I could try the shorts. Okay, this is already a lot better. So I'm just doing the shorts with the white top now and the original jacket. And since the shorts are barely blue and there's just this subtle red stripe on the side, it's not such an over-the-top red, white, and blue look. And then we still have the black here to balance it out, which doesn't totally match with the blue, but since they're both dark neutrals, I think it works. I'm still not sure which shoe. Let's just get rid of all the jewelry for some pearl earrings. And maybe keep the bracelet, because we kind of got rid of a lot of the fancy. Goodbye, Haiti. It was nice being patriotic with you. Even though this shoe is more substantial, like the original shoe, I think I like the jellies better. It just sort of keeps it light and summery. Oh, but you know what? We started with socks, didn't we? Maybe I can find a sheer sock that will just give it a little something extra. I found these white polka dot ones, which I thought would match at least. But then I found these black stripe with gold that could tie in the black up here. And then, I don't know, I guess the gold on the bracelet hardware. Okay, I don't really like the white, actually. I feel like the white should make more sense, but I just don't really like the polka dots with this. Looks kind of cutesy. And then the black stripes really do tie in the scarf. I realize everything is striped now, though. It's kind of a lot. We went from over the top patriotic to just over the top stripes, but I think it's fine. Oh yeah, that's too many. That's too many stripes. Oh well, I stand by it. Where would I wear this? I guess I would wear this to a sunny beach that has cold air and warm water because I have sunglasses, double sleeves, bare legs with sheer shoes and socks. Doesn't make a ton of sense. Would you wear this? And more importantly, who won this look? Regular me or Jaime? Alright, good luck, Haitians. I don't know what's happening in Haiti by the time this comes out, but there's usually something. And good luck, Americans. We know why. Thanks for watching. See you next week for this confusing pink and blue and green look.